This is the last call out from the top 4 bodybuilders. Hadi Chupan manages to stay in the top 4 for the last call outs, and rest all you can see in the images and the videos. Big Ramy, Big Ramy, Big Ramy. Each and everyone is talking about Big Ramy. Big Ramy is going to win this Olympia clearly just because of his muscle mass, his symmetry, his shreddedness, and each and everything is in point. Let me tell you the reason why people is saying that Big Ramy is going to win. The reason is simple, that Big Ramy didn't switch while he was posing or he was calling for the call outs. Big Ramy didn't switch from the middle. The judges haven't switched Big Ramy from any other place. He has stayed in the middle of in the front of the judges only. His back width is huge. Big Ramy is looking huge, looking really big. Big Ramy is looking really big. Big Ramy's separation of legs is also awesome. Only in this pose Phil Heath beat all other candidates, and in all other 6 poses Phil Heath is losing from all other candidates. Phil Heath is competing just like for the second or third position with Brandon Curry. Big Ramy takes all other candidates for the first positions. Big Ramy, his width you can see in this video is looking damn huge and cracking all other candidates in the for the first place. If you are looking for Brandon Curry is lacking some muscle mass in his legs, and the separation of legs of Big Ramy is looking damn cracking. If you can see in this video, seriously you will judge that Big Ramy is going to win in this pose and so many poses. Hadi Chupan is not looking so much shining and not with so much muscle mass, so he's looking out of the box from all the other candidates in this top 4 athletes. If you will look seriously, he's having the muscle mass and the shreddedness. That's why each and everyone is saying that Big Ramy is going to win this Olympia single-sidedly, and all other candidates have been eliminated by Big Ramy in this just prejudging posing only. The last call out was of these 4 candidates or athletes, and you may clearly judge. If I won't be a judgmental and you will judge, then also if you are a fan of Phil Heath, Brandon Curry, Hadi Chupan, you will say the same, that Big Ramy deserves better than others. Yes guys, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our video. I will post more such stuff of bodybuilding on this channel about the final comparison, but we can't say anything about anyone. Whoever drops more water will win in the finals. Now you can say some image of Big Ramy on the stage in prejudging. Bye bye, love you all.